What's up, guys? This is Shelby with Mobile Home Transport and Installation. Today we're working south of Watertown, South Dakota, pretty close to home. We're just getting a gravel pad and piers ready to pour some concrete. We'll be moving a double wide out here. As you can see, we are in the middle of a field. Probably doesn't get any more Midwestern than this. We just spent a little time laying out this pad. You can see all the white paint marks on it. Took our measurements, pulled some string lines, and we marked where all the pier holes are gonna go. We based that off of a pier print for the home that we're moving in here. We're just getting started drilling. Operator Alex running the excavator.
Trying.
How's this ground? How's the ground today?
Rock hard. No, I'm just kidding. Perfect condition. Compared to Rapid City, it's 4 times faster. Maybe 5.
4 times faster than Rapid City?
Yeah. I mean, we average in Rapid City 8 minutes a hole, and I think I'm doing 2.
Yeah, we definitely get rocky ground sometimes. Of course, this ground in the middle of the field is pretty soft.
That good old northeast South Dakota clay.
Yeah. You can see he's able to just punch right into the ground there. Pulls it out like it's nothing.
42 inches deep. It's my favorite kind of job site, out in the middle of the cornfield.
That's right. Doesn't get any more Midwestern than this. How come we put them 42 inches deep?
Frost depth.
Now, why does that matter?
You don't want to go more shallow than the frost. The frost gets underneath and it'll heave, and your home will be out of level, so it don't matter. Then it was pointless. Might as well set it on the ground.
Yeah, we always do these nice gravel pads around it. Some used homes you can get away with just setting on the gravel pad, but we always recommend putting in the concrete piers because you're just going to really eliminate any of that settling in your home. So it's not out of level in a year, and you got to have us come back and re-level it. Look how easy he pulls that dirt out of there. And the excavator makes it really nice to keep the pad nice and clean while we're working on it. He's able to just pull that dirt, swing off to the side, get rid of it. We'll be able to smooth it out along the edge of the pad at the end. And for cleaning around the holes, we just have these guys pull the dirt right back into the hole, and he's able to clean it up, just continue to clean it out and dump it on the side.
The boss man's working hard today.
Who's the boss man?
Oh, this guy over here.
Are you working hard today, boss man? What happens if you don't work hard? You don't get paid? What happens if you don't work hard? You don't get paid.
What he said?
Yeah.
Right. You don't got a job.
That's right.
That's why I'm jobless.
You don't work hard?
No.
He's just playing excavator simulator all day long. Yeah, I don't think you get better ground than that.
No.
And then we take our broken tamper, right? Make the bottom of the hole nice and solid. So the home going on this lot is a double wide. There's 4 main rows of piers. Under each half of the double wide, there will be 2 frame rails, I-beams that run the length of the home. So we put in 1 row of piers for 1 frame rail. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing right next to that row. And that'll be the first half of our home. We have the same thing on the other side. This is a 60 footer, called for 9 piers for each frame rail. So we'll have the concrete piers in. Then we'll go ahead and set our block stacks on top of the concrete piers and the home on top of the block stacks after we level them and make them nice and flat. Then we have in the center just a couple of extra piers here. These are called your marriage wall stacks. Where the home meets up together, we put in some extra support up to the bottom of the house instead of the frame rail, and it just helps support that opening. So I think we'll go ahead and jump into a time lapse of the rest of this project. We'll have these holes drilled out tonight yet. Shouldn't take very long at all with as soft as this ground is. Now Alex is just coming in, smoothing out that extra material on the edge of the pad. Just gonna pack it down, get it out of the way. That way we don't just leave a mess. Keeps our pad and our work nice and clean for when we come to park the house. So I think we'll call this video here. We're definitely gonna be getting some video of when we bring the house in to set it. Probably gonna have some drone footage. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.